Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. And today we are going to make a mocktail. We are making mimosa mocktail. So if you don't know, a mocktail is a cocktail without any alcohol in it. For whatever reason, you can't drink alcohol, or you're under the age of 21. So mimosa is normally made with orange juice and champagne. It's a breakfast or a brunch drink. But today we're going to use ginger ale as our bubbly. And it doesn't matter what kind of ginger ale you use. But we're going to get a cup with ice. Now normally you don't pour ice over your champagne or wine. It's just like a big no-no. But I had crushed up my ice a little bit, and I'm going to pour my fancy glass with about half orange juice. And then I'm going to pour the other half of my glass with my ginger ale. So, like I said, if this were wine, you will replace that. This will go in a wine glass that was chilled. The champagne and orange juice will be chilled because there will be no ice. And you would pour half and half. And then you would garnish it with something, cherries, strawberries, oranges, some kind of fruit. I am using pineapple chunks. This was amazing. I just put them right on top. And then I just topped it off with just a little bit more ginger ale. You can also put some grenadine in there to make it have a little bit more color on the top, like a sunset type of thing. But that is it. This video was so simple. Let me know if you want to see any more mocktails. And remember, guys, do not consume alcohol if you are under the age of 21. So enjoy your mocktails. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and leave me some comments down below if you enjoyed this video. And cheers, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. And enjoy the mini ASMR at the end of this video.